session in the new English lesson today with you. Today's lesson is going to be a vocabulary lesson. Look at the picture and tell me, what do you think the lesson will be about? What do you see in the picture? Yes, I heard somebody saying a dog. Yeah, mainly we're going to talk about a dog today. Yes, exactly, a dog. Its name is Dodger. What do you think the dog would do today? Let us see. Today's lesson is a bad dog Dodger. A bad dog Dodger. Let us see, what will the dog do? Today's lesson, Bad Dog Dodger, by Barbara Abercrombie, Unit 5, Week 3. First of all, let us discuss the genre. Read with me, what's the genre? Exactly, realistic fiction. Do you remember what's the realistic fiction? Ta 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 da ti da 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 da. Huh? Do you remember? A made-up story could be real. Exactly. A made-up story could be real. The realistic fiction is a made-up story that sounds like it could happen in the real life. Exactly. Question of the week. How can we be responsible animal owners? How can we be responsible animal owners? What's the meaning of the question? Just like, how can you be responsible for the animal which you have in the home or with you? Should you only feed him? Feed this animal? Should you only take it to hang out together? Should you only give a shelter to him and leave him without any food? Or feeding him only? What should you do exactly to be responsible for the animal which you have? Responsible. This week we'll read a story about a boy who gets a puppy for his birthday. What do you think the boy will do with the dog? What do you think they will learn? What do you think they will do? What do you think about the adventures which they will have together? So let us discuss all of it after we finish reading the text, okay? Okay, now the new vocabulary for the lesson, the vocabulary words. We're gonna play a game. I will give you the word and the meaning, and I will then show you a picture. All what you have to do is to put a sentence or an example for this picture. Okay? So you will give the example and I will give the meaning. Deal? Let us try. Word number 1. Chased. Repeat after me. Chased. Chase is to ran. Chase is ran after someone. Ran after something. Here you have the picture and you will give me, guess the example. Okay, someone said yes. The black dog chases the white dog, exactly. Another one said the two dogs chased yesterday. Thank you. Excellent. Let us move. Word number 2, chewing. C-H-E-W-I-N-G. Chew is to grind, grinding something between your teeth. Give me the example. What does the dog do? Yes, the dog is chewing the candle. Is this a candle? Yes, or a toy maybe? The dog is chewing the candle. Can you read this word? Dripping, dripping, dripping. A liquid falling slowly drop by drop. Which is, can you tell me what does the faucet do? Yes, the faucet is dripping what? Dripping water. Thank you. Can you read this word? Perfect. Grabbed. From grab, grabbed. Spell the word. Spill. Thank you. Move to the meaning. Take hold of something suddenly. To grab something is to catch something and bring it in your place. Grab. Just like now, see the picture? Give me the example. Yes, the girl grabbed the book from the shelf. I grabbed the book from the shelf. Grab. Grabbed. Next word. I love this word. Can you read it? Practice. 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 To repeat an action in order to improve. To repeat an action in order to improve it. Okay? Can you give me the example? The first photo is about a boy who practices what? Piano. And the second about a team, football team. Yes, they practice. And sometimes we say practice makes perfect. To repeat all what you do, that makes you perfect. Next word, treat. 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 What's the treat? A special gift which is often food. It's often food which we give to animals. Can you see the treat of the dog? Can you put it in an example? Yes. I give my dog a treat when he does something good, right? Yes, next word. Wagged. Wag and wagged. What's the meaning of wagged? Moved from one side to another. Moved from side to side. Oh, can you see the dogs here? They are wagging their tails. When my dog sees me, it wags its tail. Yes. Can you give the word wag into an example? Thank you. And they're supposed to be basic words. There are words just enriching your acknowledgement. Then we're gonna have some extra words. Extra words. They are not in the dictation. Behavior. Cooperate. Obedient. Companion. Consider. Reprimand. Confident. Properly. Then here, after studying the words, Open your book, page 410. 410. 410. Answer these questions. You're gonna have the words. They are chased, chewing, dripping, grabbed, practice, treat, wagged. Chased, chewing, dripping, grabbed, practice, treat, wagged. Now it's your turn. Finish the questions and see you next time. Bye!